In this video, we're going to show you how to use Navan's Travel Insights feature. If you've been looking for a way to simplify travel planning and gain better visibility into your travel data, this feature is an absolute game changer. Stick around because I'm going to give you all the details and show you exactly how to make the most of it, especially if you're new to Navan. Navan's Travel Insights feature is designed to make travel management smarter and more efficient. If you're not familiar with Navan, it's a software solution that's optimized for businesses to manage their travel logistics. And the Travel Insights feature takes it a step further. It collects data from your travel bookings and transforms it into valuable insights, helping you make more informed decisions. One of the key benefits of the Travel Insights feature is that it provides a consolidated view of your travel spending, making it easier to track your costs across different departments or teams. You can instantly see how much is being spent on flights, hotels, and other travel-related services. This is a major advantage if you're managing a corporate travel program and need to stay on top of budgets. Navan does all the heavy lifting for you by tracking travel activity and automatically categorizing expenses, so you don't have to waste time sorting through receipts or invoices. This saves a lot of manual effort and ensures you're always looking at the most up-to-date data. But it doesn't stop there. The Insights feature gives you trends and patterns that can help you optimize future travel bookings. For example, it will flag recurring travel expenses that could be reduced by negotiating better rates or adjusting booking habits. It also provides a breakdown of spending by traveler, department, or any other custom filters you need, giving you full control over how you manage travel costs. For companies with multiple travelers, Navan also gives you visibility into travel preferences and behaviors. Are your employees consistently booking last-minute flights? Or are they frequently staying at certain hotels or in specific cities? The Travel Insights feature gives you the data to answer these questions and more, enabling you to streamline your processes and potentially save costs down the line. Now, I'm sure you're wondering how this all works in practice. It's really simple. Just link your travel bookings to Navan and the software will begin collecting data from your flights, hotels, and other reservations. From there, you can go to the Travel Insights dashboard to view graphs, tables, and other visual data that break down your travel activity and spending. With all this data at your fingertips, you can make strategic decisions that align with your company's goals and improve overall travel efficiency. It's not just about cutting costs, it's about smarter travel management, and Navan makes it incredibly easy to see the bigger picture. Before we finish, I want to remind you that you can try Navan's Travel Insights feature for free through the link in the description below. We've partnered with Navan to offer an exclusive, extended free trial to help you get started. So if you've been on the fence about trying out the software, now's the perfect time to jump in and experience everything it has to offer without any upfront cost. That's all for today's video. Make sure to check out the first link below for your exclusive free trial and get started with Navan's Travel Insights feature today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.